I'm glad you're here. We're going to talk about Christmas on this episode. Come on. My name is David Morton. I'm the Landscape Curator here at Brucemore. It's a 26-acre estate located in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and it's one of the few National Trust historic sites in the Midwest. And this show is about how to create this little piece of paradise in your own backyard. A day in the life of a gardener. Hello, Jessica. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Everywhere you go.
The whole house is decorated.
We're getting there.
Can I take you away from that for a second and you can tell us a little bit about what we're doing here?
Sure
for
can.
Christmas time? It's a big time for us here at Brucemore with the holidays.
It really is. It's one of our busiest times of the year.
Yeah.
And it's one of the most popular times to come and visit us.
And we get a tree, it seems like we get a tree in every room.
Just about. We've got 15 Christmas trees this year.
15?
Yep.
Wow. So now this particular tree, this is in the nursery,
Yes.
right?
Correct.
And this is a newer tree.
Yes.
You were telling me. It's only last year was its first Christmas.
Last year was its debut. And so this is our Nutcracker tree. And it's not quite finished yet. I still have some more finishing touches to kind of add to it. But we wanted it to kind of be a little bit of a nod to the fact that this is a nursery.
Yeah.
And so I chose the Nutcracker theme because I'm sure that's something that the girls would have enjoyed during the holiday season. The Nutcracker Suite was a very popular ballet then and very popular piece of music. So I know that they had the roles for the Nutcracker ballet to play on the Skinner organ. So
oh, wow.
yeah, so it all kind of
That's
ties
cool.
together a little
Yeah.
bit. But
And I love the wallpaper in here. This is my favorite, kind of my favorite room because of the wallpaper.
yeah, the wallpaper is really, really whimsical and fun.
Whimsical and fun. And so is this tree. I see you've got some little nutcrackers over there.
Yep.
ready to go up on the tree.
Yep.
That's awesome. So 17 trees, how long does it take you to decorate 17 trees? It's probably hard to tell.
It takes a while, yeah. Usually we can get the majority of the trees up and mostly decorated, not really final, but mostly decorated with the help of some volunteers. We usually get somewhere around between 10 and 15 volunteers that come and help us out on decorating day. And we can really get it done in about 4 hours, kind of get everything up.
Everything up at least.
Up, yeah. And it still needs all of its, finishing touches and things like that, but at least it's up and ready to go. But then I will spend the next 2 weeks usually finishing the trees, doing all of the collections, special items that we put out, and just the kind of final touches that go into everything. So
Sure. So we're getting ready because we have tours, right?
we do.
And are they self-guided tours?
They are self-guided tours. So people will be able to enjoy a lot of different experiences when they're doing a self-guided tour. We will have panels in some of the rooms so you can read them, kind of get the same information you would get on a guided tour. We'll have staff people around who can answer any questions that you might have. And then we've also got some audio experiences that happen in select rooms too. So there's different stories and sound and ambiance effects that people can enjoy as well. Kids can sit in here and listen to the Nutcracker in front of the Nutcracker tree. So there's just a lot of different varieties of experiences that people can have when they're on a self-guided holiday tour.
And they can take their time then, right? It's
Yeah.
not like...
Yeah, you're not being rushed to the mansion on a tour or anything. You can take as much or as little time as you would like. So
pretty awesome.
people can stop and take family photos in front of the trees if they want and just really enjoy the holiday surroundings.
Now, this is 2025, so sometimes the tours change from year to year. Depends on when Christmas falls.
Correct.
But this year, what are the tour times and when can people, how long are they and
So
the period meaning?
the best thing to do is to check our website, of course, which is brucemore.org, because that's going to have the most up-to-date calendar, because days are going to vary a little bit. But generally, we are open from the day after Thanksgiving until December 31st. So there'll be a few days in there where there's some closures and things like that, but the best thing to do is just check out the website and get all of those details.
Sure. Now, does Santa come?
Santa does come.
He does?
Santa comes and visits us at the end of November this year.
All right.
First day will be November 30th. We do a program called Santa Snacks and Stories. So Kids can come, visit Santa in the study, listen to a story in front of the Nutcracker tree here in the nursery, do a craft upstairs, have a snack downstairs. So there's a lot of different things that they get to enjoy on that tour.
And they can send it to, they get to give them his list if they have their list.
Yep, and
ready?
Santa will know if they've been naughty or nice.
All right,
Better
so
be
there you
prepared.
go.
Yep.
Well, thank you, Jessica. That was great for all the little stories at Christmas time. I'll let you go back to work. Thanks for joining us on a day in the life of a garden. And do you need help with any of this stuff?
You know, I really could use
I've
some
got a
assistance.
meeting. Sorry. We hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more, hit the like button, the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel.